Your gut health affects more than digestion. It impacts your mood, immunity, and overall well-being. And one of the best ways to support it is through food. In this quick guide, we'll cover 40+ gut-friendly foods, categorized by how they help your microbiome thrive. Probiotic-rich foods. Probiotics are live microorganisms that add beneficial bacteria to your gut. Number 1 yogurt. Number 2 kefir. Number 3 sauerkraut. Number 4 kimchi. Number 5 tempeh. Number 6 miso. Number 7 kombucha. Number 8 pickles. Number 9 cottage cheese. Number 10 buttermilk. Number 11 idli. Number 12 dosa. Number 13 paneer. Prebiotic-rich foods. Prebiotics are non-digestible fibers that feed the good bacteria already living in your gut. Number 1 garlic. Number 2 onions. Number 3 leeks. Number 4 asparagus. Number 5 green bananas. Number 6 oats. Number 7 barley. Number 8 chickpeas. Number 9 lentils. Number 10 black beans. Number 11 pistachios. Number 12 cashews. Number 13 flax seeds. Number 14 chia seeds. Number 15 apples. Fiber-rich foods. Fiber is essential for digestive health. It helps bulk up stool, improves regularity, and supports the diversity of your gut bacteria. Number 1 brown rice. Number 2 whole wheat bread. Number 3 quinoa. Number 4 oats. Number 5 berries. Number 6 pears. Number 7 apples. Number 8 oranges. Number 9 spinach. Number 10 kale. Number 11 broccoli. Number 12 Brussels sprouts. Number 13 carrots. Number 14 sweet corn. Number 15 potatoes. Number 16 beans. Number 17 lentils. Number 18 almonds. Number 19 sunflower seeds. Polyphenol-rich foods. Polyphenols are plant compounds that reduce inflammation and boost good gut bacteria. Number 1 blueberries. Number 2 raspberries. Number 3 strawberries. Number 4 green tea. Number 5 black tea. Number 6 dark chocolate. Number 7 turmeric. Number 8 cinnamon. Number 9 olive oil. Number 10 walnuts. Number 11 pecans. Number 12 flax seeds. Eat 30+ different plant foods per week to encourage gut diversity. Stay hydrated to help fiber move through your system. Limit processed foods, sugar, and artificial additives. Eat slowly, chew well, and listen to your body. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more such information.